Hey folks, Vision Preparedness here. I wanted to share with you a hand tool that I would consider invaluable. I was talking with a friend of mine, Dan H., and he actually sent me one. This is a Sportsman Pocket chainsaw, and this is a 36-inch chainsaw that comes in a nice pouch, and it also comes with a spare seam rod and striker. So Dan H., appreciate you, bruh, and thanks for this amazing hand tool. We were talking about it, and I told him, I said, I need to find um, some type of hand chainsaw, and he actually found it and sent it to me. Comes in a very nice pocket case. You can put on your belt clip. You can put on your belt. So this is a 36-inch hand chainsaw that literally will cut wood and do what it needs to do. It's got two handles on the end. Put your hands in the handles, put on a pair of gloves, and you can cut wood, cut timber, cut small trees, cut regular sized trees, fire kindling, things like that. So, with that, folks, we are going to go test this thing out and see how it works. And we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are, folks. Here is our tree that we're going to cut down with this manual chainsaw. And we're going to see what happens. I'm going to put on my other glove here. And I'm going to wrap the chain around it. And put my hand through the other loop here. We're going to see how this thing works. I'm going to cut low. Here we go. As you see, I'm pulling on the chain as it cuts through. This is a nice little workout for the biceps. And as you see, definitely not for the faint at heart. But it cuts through. And there you have it. This wasn't a big tree, but whew, it's manual work. And there it is. And that's why we talk about getting in shape. Whew. Because when the grid goes down, we don't have access to power tools, and we want to be stealth and not use our chainsaws, we're going to have to rely on tools like this that will allow us to cut timber and other things to keep us hidden from those that want to take what we have, folks. So that didn't take too long for this size of a tree, but it definitely worked. And you can cut this up, kindling, firewood, whatever you need. But get physically fit, folks, because when shtf happens, the more stealth we are and the more tools we have that will allow us to be stealth, not only will we thrive, but we will survive. This is Vision Preparedness, and we will see you in the next video. God bless everybody. Have a great evening.